Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the precise steps to link your standalone ESPN Plus or ESPN Unlimited content with your YouTube TV subscription to unlock seamless authentication inside the sports app. It is vital to understand that ESPN Plus cannot be purchased directly as an add-on channel or build inside your native YouTube TV account settings layout. Instead, you need to navigate away from your live TV guide entirely. Fire up the independent standalone ESPN mobile app or visit the official website and locate the main account settings configuration menu gear icon. From there, select the dedicated TV provider option. Scroll through the national list to highlight YouTube TV and log in securely using your standard Google account credentials. This quick, free verification process instantly bridges your streaming accounts, automatically authorizing you to access all exclusive live events, college sports, and premium digital content alongside your standard cable channels. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.